Hey, how you doing? Nicolas Busque from the projet Carbonart in Valcourt, Quebec. Just to give you a quick update for an event that was held on the 10th of November here in Valcourt at the Museum Gia Bombardier. The project or the idea was set up by the people at the museum. It was a repair cafe, so people would bring stuff from home that was actually broken or not working. And on hand, you had people that were working in electronics, people that would work on different with the wood, with repair. Somebody actually learned how to use their sewing machine. So what our students did for the project is that everything that was repaired was weighed on the way out. So the concept was that the resources needed to build that material or build that tool or build that chair was not needed. So that was some greenhouse gas that were not produced to make that object. That was also greenhouse gas that was not produced to get rid of it, and it was also an energy signature that was not used to make that object. So overall, we got around 900 kilowatt hours. That's like running 2 fridges for 2 years. So that's actually a lot of energy that was kept at bay, and the other part was the greenhouse gas. So if you look at it, we've got the plastic, the metal, the wood, the paper, and cloth. We've got some glass. So overall, for the event, we almost reached 200 kilograms of greenhouse gas that were not produced during that event. So the kids were really keen about it. It's an easy way to reduce our greenhouse gas, is reducing the amount of stuff that we put in garbage and actually repairing what we have. So the kids were really into it. So if you have a chance to do that in your area, it's an easy way to reduce your greenhouse gas. So talk to you soon.